Hello guys, welcome to one of our video tutorials today we'll be discussing about the dictionary. Okay, so the dictionary is one of the 4 data collection data types we have in Python, and they are used to store objects that have various attributes, various methods. Okay, so we are going to go into the practical session so you understand what we're talking about. So we are going to use a human's detail, a person's detail, to illustrate this example. Okay, so guys, so this is the syntax. You use a meaningful name that has to do with the dictionary, okay, but not the dictionary name itself. But you can notice that there is a line under here, meaning that this name has to do with one of the built-in names already in Python. So for Python to be happy, you can add one in front. Okay, so it's happy now. So this is the curly braces used to denote the dictionary. You can also use these curly braces to denote a set, but today we are going to talk about just the dictionary. Okay, so a person should have a name, right? Okay guys, so I've created a dictionary, a small one, so we can use that to illustrate what we're talking about. If you notice, you will see that each of these keys, okay, these ones here are the keys, while these ones are the values. So a dictionary is known as a key value data collection data type. Okay, a key value, because each of the key will definitely have an assigned value. Okay, so now another thing I want you to also take note is that these keys here are also seen as the indices. In the list we have 0, 1, 2, 3, but in dictionary the index of this John here is this name and not 0. Okay, the index of this 30 here, which is the value, is age and not 1. Okay, so that is how the dictionary works. So as you all know, to access the various attributes in a particular data type, we use dot approach. Okay, so we're going to use the same dot approach here. Let's assume we want to remove one of the keys here, maybe the name or the age or the gender. Okay, so we use dot pop. Okay, so name. Okay, so we'll print our dictionary again to check if we have removed the name. We use the pop to remove a particular kind of key in the dictionary. Okay, so when you run that, okay, so you've noticed that there is no longer name here. Unlike you have here, you have name John. Because of the method we've used pop, we've removed the name here. Okay, so this is how you remove any of the keys that you don't want to continue working with. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to teach you is how you can also copy. Okay, so here, instead of going back to all we have been doing, you can just type in the copy here, and it has no argument. The copy has no argument. So what you can do is you can either assign it to a variable, then you print that out. Okay, so if you print your A is going to have the exact value that your dictionary has. It simply means you have copied your initial dict1 to be A. Okay, so this is how you do the copy in dictionary. Very simple. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to teach you is the get method. Okay, I'm going to teach you the get method. So instead of having this here, you use the get method here. Now the get method simply means you want to access any of these keys. For you to get the values here, you have to use the keys. Okay, so let's assume you want to get the gender. Okay, so this is what you're going to do here. Then you print your dictionary, print your dict1. Okay, so when you do that, so you print directly from your syntax to get the gender. Okay, so you can see we've gotten our male here. So this is how you get your keys. Any of them you want to work with, you can go directly to that using this syntax. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be teaching you is how you can get the key value pairs. Okay, separately you want to get all the keys, or you want to get all the values, or you want to get all the items. Okay, so when we talk about the keys, this is the key, the name, the age, the gender, the phone number. Then this is the value, the John, the 30, the male, the 1 to 5. But the items include everything inside here. Okay, so what you will do is you will do dict1 dot. Let's start with the key first. Okay, you want to get the keys. This is how you do that. So dot, then you print. Okay, print it directly. So this is going to display all the keys in your dictionary. So you can see the keys are name, age, gender, phone number. Okay, so this is how you do that. Like I told you, this is the key for this value John, this is the key for this value 30. Okay, so if you want to do same for the values, all you will do is to print here off, simply write values. When you run your program, okay, so you can see the values are what we have displayed on the screen here instead of the keys. Okay, so this is how you get the different items in the dictionary. If you want to get the items all together, every of them, all you will do is to use items. Okay, so once you type in items and run your program, you're going to get everything. So you can see here that the item is included in a separate braces. Okay, so this is name John in a separate braces. This one is age 30, gender male, and the phone number. Okay, so that is how you work with the dictionary. I'm sure this Python course for absolute beginners will teach you a lot about the dictionary. Then when you go into the intermediate part of this course, you're going to go into learning how to use this dictionary to work with pandas. Okay, that one is a bit higher than this level, so I'm going to leave this here so you won't get confused. Okay, for those that want to go into the intermediate level, I'm going to teach you how you can work with the dictionary, how you can use this dictionary to create a table and use the table to have your other activities carried out. Okay, see you in our next class. Take care.